To solve an inequality, we follow the same principles as solving an equation. Use inverse operations to isolate the variable. For instance, if we have the inequality m plus 5 is greater than -2, we can subtract 5 from both sides to cancel out the plus 5 and isolate m, bringing down the inequality symbol, and on the right, -2 minus 5 is -7. Therefore, m is greater than -7. Now, let's represent the solution on the number line. Place -7 in the middle of the line and label numbers to the left by decreasing by 1 and numbers to the right by increasing by 1. Since m is greater than -7, -7 itself is not included in the solution set. Therefore, we use an open circle at -7, and we draw an arrow to the right, indicating that any number greater than -7 is a solution. Next, we have an inequality 7 is greater than or equal to y plus 17. Subtract 17 from both sides to cancel out the plus 17 and isolate y. 7 minus 17 is -10. Bringing down the inequality symbol and y, we get -10 is greater than or equal to y. Since it's standard to write the solution with the variable on the left side, we can switch sides. However, remember to reverse the inequality symbol accordingly, making it y is less than or equal to -10. Now let's represent this solution on the number line. Place -10 in the middle of the line and label numbers to the left by decreasing and numbers to the right by increasing. Since y is less than or equal to -10, -10 itself is included in the solution set. Therefore, we use a closed circle at -10 and draw an arrow to the left, indicating that any number less than or equal to -10 is a solution. To solve this inequality, -6 is less than or equal to x minus 9. We add 9 to both sides to isolate the variable. And adding 9 to -6 gives us 3 is less than or equal to x, indicating that x is greater than or equal to 3. On the number line, we place 3 in the middle and label numbers to the left by decreasing and numbers to the right by increasing. With x being greater than or equal to 3, we use a closed circle at 3 and draw an arrow to the right, illustrating that any number greater than or equal to 3 is a solution. Next, we have p minus 12 is less than 1. We add 12 to both sides to isolate the variable, resulting in p is less than 13. To graph the solution, we place 13 in the middle of the line and label numbers around it. Since p is less than 13, but not equal to it, we use an open circle at 13 and draw an arrow to the left, indicating that any number less than 13 is a solution. Now it's your turn. Grab a pencil and a sheet of paper if you can, and give it a shot. I'll be revealing the answers in just 10 seconds, so pause the video and test your skills.